Do you need to deliver a presentation for your audience? There is a tool in ClickMeeting just for you. To use it, go to your ClickMeeting event room and choose this icon from the menu. Now you can upload your files, PowerPoint presentations, images, PDFs, audio, video, and many more. We advise you to upload them before the event. The size of a single file cannot exceed 1 GB. Note that your total file storage depends on your current plan. When your file is uploaded, you are ready to share it by clicking on the thumbnail. Change the slides by using left and right arrows. You can add notes visible only to you under the slides. If you don't use them, it's worth hiding them this way. In this menu, you can also allow your participants to react to the slides. Like this. Note that you can open more than one presentation at a time. Just click this icon to quickly switch between them. But displaying is not all. You can draw on your slides and highlight the most important points of your presentation. If you wish your attendees to see your cursor, enable this option. Want to insert shapes and text? Use the options available on the toolbar. Even more is possible thanks to the integration with Draw.io tool. Create a visual or choose a template, then save and close this view to import the newly created object into your presentation. You can also allow your attendees to collaborate. Simply tick this box if your event has up to 40 attendees. Have you created something worth keeping? Save the slide into a PDF file like this. To close the current presentation, click here. Are you missing a bit of animation? Simply use our screen sharing tool instead.